Welcome to Munchkin Storytime. The title of this story is
Pinkalicious Pinkie Promise. I was making a picture for my teacher, Mr. Pushkin. I ran out of my favorite color. I asked my friend Allison if I could borrow her paints. "Just don't use up all the pink," she said. "I won't," I said. "I promise." I worked very hard on the picture. It looked good. I gave the picture to Mr. Pushkin. "What a terrific painting," he said. "It's so pink." "You mean it's pinkerific," I said. Allison was coming over to get her paint set. Some of the colors were empty. Uh-oh, what was I going to do? I'm sorry, Allison," I said. "By mistake, I used up all the pink." Allison frowned. "You also used up all the red and the white," she said. "Well, red and white make pink, so really, it's all pink," I said. Allison was angry. "You said you wouldn't use up all the pink paint," said Allison. "You promised." "I'm really sorry, Allison," I said again. Allison took her paint set and walked away. Allison did not sit with me at lunch. I sat alone. I ate my jelly sandwich. Jelly does not taste pink or yummy if you are eating all by yourself. Then I thought of something. I went back to the classroom. I made Allison a card to apologize. "This card is very blue," I said to Allison. "There were no other colors. Almost everybody is out of pink." "Thanks for the card," Allison said. "It's not just beautiful, it's beautiful." "Allison," I asked, "can we still be friends?" "Of course we're friends, Pinkalicious," Allison said. "I'm sorry I got angry about the paint. I won't get so mad next time." I was so happy. "Let's play this weekend," I said. When Allison came over to play, I had a surprise for her. I gave Allison a new tube of paint. "It's not even my birthday," said Allison. "And that's not all," I said. "Guess what? We got ice cream." We shared a pink peppermint ice cream sundae with raspberry swirl syrup. The sundae had 2 cherries on top, so we could each have our own. Some things are just too hard to share. "Let's always be friends," Allison said. "Yes, that would be fun-tastic," I said. "Let's make it a Pinkie Promise," we said at the same time. "Pinkie promises last forever," I said happily. The end.